Following Roomba is an upcoming piece of cat hair. And leaves it. Side brush didn't pick it up. Then we have another tuft right there. And another one right there in the corner. So let's see. Coming back at a second pass, it can pick that turf hair up. That time it did. Well, no it didn't. It didn't get it all. I didn't get home in time before Roomba started, but these are tufts right here, as you can see, that Roomba has already cleaned this area. And you can see the Roomba tracks. There's the Roomba tracks, and it drove right over them. We have more over here. This seems to be one of their favorite play areas, so we find a lot of fur in this area. Our old bristle brush used to make one pass over this and keep this carpet looking brand new. And this is 2 days. 2 days of not vacuuming. This is what we've accumulated. And again, see that right there? Roomba drove right over it. Another one, Roomba drove right over it. As you can see, it's been coming straight down the hallway. And there's a little tuft that it did not pick up. Anxious to see what happens when it hits this corner piece right here. Waiting to catch up with it, see if it goes after that tuft of fur right there. Okay. Looks like it's going to try to make another pass over this area. Side brushes, missed it. Completely missed it. I'm waiting for it to get to that piece and see what it does. And that piece. Side brush missed it, right directly over it, and it did pick it up. So again, as I said, this is about the third time these extractors have ran. Typically 2 or 3 weeks from now, those tufts of fur right there, it will not pick up. They'll drive right over them, or roll them up into a ball. Okay, let's see if it does anything with that piece right there. Kind of hard to see, but there's all kinds of little fur specks. These are not carpet stains. Those are little tufts of fur that over time Roomba has rolled up into a ball and left. Yep, there it is, left it. Right over it again and left it. So you can kind of see what it's doing. I wish I would have caught it. We had, I actually thought I was filming it going right over this, but I was actually had my camera on and I was not in video mode, but I stood right here and watched it drive right over those pieces. And as you can see, it missed that one several times. And you can see all the little specks here in this area that it started clean. So we'll try again tomorrow. Try to get home a little earlier or start Roomba a little later and let these cats build up some more fur tufts, and we'll try it again.